Okay, we're back. Spin this baby. We have everything taped off that we don't want painted this go around. So we're only doing one panel. This little panel section down there. Have everything taped off. Panel's been wiped down with clean water and a little bit of Dawn. Dawn will help get rid of all any contaminants, wax, oils, blah blah blah. You want a clean surface. As of now, I'm wiping down with a tack rag. I happen to have about 1 million of these because I misordered. I could tack down everybody's car in Texas probably. But as you can see, there's nothing on it. It's good and clean. Paint I'm using is Duplicolor Perfect Match, duplicates original GM. This is bright red. I've been shaking it for several minutes. It says 2. I've been shaking a while. So we're going to start with some light coats. I want to work on this repaired panel first. For those of you on the comments that said this is painful to watch and blah blah blah, send me 10 grand so I can have my car painted the right way. If not, tough luck. We'll get all the lighter spots and then put a light coat around the rest of it. It's red, and if we cleared some of it, you probably wouldn't see it anyway, but I want it a little bit more uniform. Make sure everything matches. So full pattern, about 75% overlap, and trust me, this thing doesn't spray clean, so you will have to go back and sand afterwards with some 400 again. It'll also help in the shine of the clear coat. Of course, it's so after this we'll come back and fix up any spots that we don't like. But the sanding gives me a good pattern to go over. And we'll keep spraying this. Some light coats till it fills itself in. We got a couple of spots we need to color up. So when I get done with this, we'll be back.